make exterior. The building is a private house, so let's jump into it. Okay, let's start from making a simple box for mass study, for studying the composition and proportion. So I will start from left. We'll make simple mass. Maybe around 200. That's too big, I think. 200. I will start from this, and then 300 to the back. Oops, 300. Okay, by the way, it's in centimeter. Okay, let's make it 300 centimeter height. Okay, make it group so it's our first mass, and then I think we need a gap. Maybe it will become a patio or entrance, but I don't know. Let's make it gap around 350, and then 400. Okay, I will make another mesh here. Let's make it, I think 500. It's gonna be a main building, I think. So let's make another box from this mark with the same height from this mass. Make it group. And then this mass. And make it align with the first mass. Make it group. And then I think let's add another 200 centimeter here. Okay, nice. And then let's make maybe a canopy or roof. Let's make it 30 centimeter thick and pull to the left, and then add around, I think 200 is enough, and then add another 200 to the front. Okay, make it group. And then for second story, let's put another box, but we have to mark first. I want to mark it right here, and then the building, I think it's enough until here. 500 should be enough. And then align with the first mass right here. Okay. Make it 330 to synchronize with this stick, and then pull to the right until meet this mass. Okay, I think we have a good mass here. Now it's look more like house, I think. Okay, I will make the floor. Let's make it around here, and then the thickness, I think I want to make it 15, and then let's align the floor right here. And then let's give another 50 from this line. Let's give it another 50 centimeter. Okay. Okay, nice. And then I think I want to make a pathway right here. Maybe it's 1000 or 10 meters, 1000 centimeters, or equal to 10 meters. Make it group. And then I want to make a pool right here. It's gonna be a big pool. Yeah. Let's give a depth for 150. Alright, group. Okay. Next, I want to make a garden here. Or let's just make a simple face for grouping this ground to become a garden later. But let's make it group. So this is gonna be the pool, pathway, the building, and the garden. Okay, we don't need this guy. Just delete. So I wanna make a partition wall for our house. Let's make it 20 to 20 square, and the height I think should be right here, align with the canopy, and then add another 100 centimeter or equal to 1 meter, like this. Now pull it to the back like this. Because it's a very private residence. Add 20, and then make another wall. Okay, make another wall right here. That's very isolated, but yeah, that's the concept. Make group and always save the file. Okay, so now we have the entire mess. Let's get detail from this mess. First, I wanna make a structure for this house. Let's make I wanna put a column right here. It should be 15 to 15. Yeah. And then make it component. And then let's align with this mesh or this wall. Let's align them. Copy again. Make it align to every grid. Okay, right here, and then right here. Okay, we have this structure. The next, let's make a room from this box. So first I wanna make this area. Maybe it's gonna be a guest area or foyer. And first I wanna make copy the structure. So here and here. Okay, let's delete this box. So I want to put a wall panel here. Let's make it 10 centimeter thickness. Make group, and then I want to make glass here. Let's make a frame. I want to make the frame is very sleek, so I think 4 centimeter is enough. And then the depth, it's only 2 centimeter. Okay, very sleek design. And push it 2 centimeter. Okay, make it group, and then make the glass, don't forget. And then add the thickness for the glass. Okay, let's give it glass material. Okay, let's make another right here. And we have to give a door. So I want to make another support structure, but not thick as the main structure. Let's give it 5 to 5 centimeter. Oops, that's wrong. 5 to 5. Okay, or 5 square. And then make it group, and then give it 80 centimeter, or maybe 75. Okay, and let's make the door here. Add a thickness 4 centimeter. Make it group, push it 1 centimeter, and then make the frame 2 centimeter. Push it, make it group, and then add the glass. Okay, 0.5. Okay, we have this door. Then let's copy again to this side. And then just stretch it using this Fredo scale box stretch. So it's gonna be scaling, but keep the proportion. Okay, nice. Next we have this mess, and it's gonna be the main room or the main house, but I'm not going to detail every mass, just because I just wanna focusing on exterior concept. Just offset it 15 at standard thickness for the wall. Okay, and then let's make a door here. I will make the door opening. Let's make it gap 30 centimeter, and another 30 centimeter from here, and let's add the height for 240. It's a standard size of wood material is 240. And let's make a hole on this, push it. Okay, we have the opening, and then I want to make a connecting door right here. So let's mark right here. Let's make it 80 and make the hole from this mark, and then push it. Okay, great. We have door opening, so let's make a door. I think the door should be divided into 3 pieces, I think, but let's try first. If it's look bad, so we're gonna change it maybe into 2 pieces or maybe 4 pieces, I don't know. So let's try on 3 pieces. I think 3 pieces looks very nice. Okay, let's make it. I think the system should be pivot door, because the middle door doesn't have a support, so we have to make it maybe pivot or maybe folding door, I don't know. But the thing is, let's make it 3-piece. Thickness 4 centimeter. Okay, I'll make it component. Then move for we don't need to move, just like this. Then make disconnecting door in this glass room. Okay, make the thickness 4 centimeter and make it group. Okay, next we have this mesh. So let's make it I think we don't need to edit this mesh. It's just gonna be a flat wall like this. Next mesh is this one, the upper mesh or the second story mesh. First I wanna let's make it a room from this mesh. 300 centimeter, and then I wanna make the hole like mark the hole for a window 30 from up, and then 12 from bottom, and then I want to make it 30, and then 100. Okay, let's hold this thing. Okay, I think we have to make the floor okay. And then I think I wanna make it unique, so let's delete the guide. It's very annoying. I wanna make this hall into a balcony. I think I have an idea. Let's make a window from here, 4 centimeter thickness, then offset 2 centimeter. Just make a normal window frame. Don't forget to make the glass, and then the thickness, of course. Make it group, then give the glass material, and this is gonna be a window for the room. Make a gap for 200, I think is enough. And then let's make a wall here, 15 to 15. Okay. And then another wall here. Okay. And let's give access 240. 30 from here, and then 80. Okay. And make the door. Oh, 4 centimeter thickness for the door, same as another door that we made before. Okay, and I will make a glass railing here, 90 centimeter height, and 1 centimeter thickness. Make it group, move it for 2 centimeter, and then I wanna make a railing accent here. The thickness is only 2 centimeter, no, only 1 centimeter, like this. Another 2 centimeter. Okay. Make it group. Okay. Yeah, beautiful. Let's start detailing the structure. I wanna make it edge pattern, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 and 1. Oops, wrong. Okay, and then this one, let's offset this 15. And then copy 2 centimeter. This also 15. 2 centimeter. And then push it 6.5. Okay. Okay. That's nice. And then next we have to detail the door. There should be a handle. Or just leave it a hidden door like this. Okay. Next we have this path. So let's make a kind of decoration. I think let's make 15 or 30 from this side, 30 again, and then make it a path for the grass. Maybe 15 I think is enough. And push it. I think we don't need to push. Just copy and divide it into 5. No, into 8. Yeah, okay. And then copy the path uh, 5 centimeter. Okay, and cut this because it's gonna be a grass. Okay, cut this, make it the grass is one face to help us on selecting material while rendering paste. Okay, that's very slow. Very slow hand. Okay, and of course the pool, we have to detail the pool. Let's offset the pool 10 centimeter, then push it 140, and then give it water. Make it group, move it 5 centimeter, and then give a water. There is no let's use this one, the sky reflection. I don't know why SketchUp 25 doesn't have water. I don't know why. Okay, so I will make the scene maybe right here. Camera to point perspective. Wait. The scene should be like this. Camera to point perspective. We need the sky for a nice composition. Okay, that's it. Add scene. Okay, nice. Okay, let's give this mesh concrete. Oh, that's bad. Let's change the scale. Whoa, that's bad. I think we have to make it lighter. Yeah, that's better. Let's give it a concrete right here. It should be wood. This one, it should be concrete. Ah, that's very annoying animation. Let's turn it off. Animation, yeah, turn off. And then wood. Yeah, concrete and wood is never fail. Wood. Okay, let's apply on this. Change the direction using this plugin. This plugin is called Enerod Texture Position. You can download it free on SketchUp if you need it. I think this texture just better. The photorealistic. Let's turn it off. Right. Automatically set it with texture. Okay. Yeah, this one looks better, I think. Let's apply it on this face. Change the direction. Okay. And then this should be wood ceiling. Let's see from ground, roof. Oh, come on. They don't have? Bro. Cladding? I just use this one for this wood. I will change it later on render engine. Let's scale up a little bit. Okay, it should be wood also. That's very bad. Wood floor. Oh, come on. View face style shaded with texture. Date. And then it should be more dark, please. Yeah, that's better. And then different concrete for the floor. Okay, let's give the door wood texture. Okay. And then this gonna be wood, uh, wood fence like this. Okay. That's so dark. Let's make it lighter. Or maybe just use this one. That's so dark. No, bad. And then let's apply another concrete for the floor. Concrete. So this is the building, and this should be for the floor. Okay, and this should be grass. Oh, we don't need the grass. Just let's use the color. Wait. Let's use this one or this one. This is a grass, and then grass for garden. I will use this color. Okay. And then the concrete for the pool. I wanna use this one. So we have three different. Wait. It should be different. Different concrete for the pool, the floor, and the building. Okay. And this should be for the building. Okay. Nice. Let's add the color for the frame and the main structure. Let's color it black. Color. Where is it? Solid color. I want to use this black. Okay. Nice. And this one should be black. And the frame. I forgot to apply this, and then a wood for this door. And then I think this should be wood also. Okay. Nice. Let's color the structure. Okay. Oh, come on. Why that's so hard? In this frame. Okay. The opacity should be like this. So we have finished this house model. You can see this from simple box into this building concept, but it's only exterior. I don't want detailing the interior, just for the concept. Okay, this is it. Simple exterior concept. And the last step, I want to make a detail like a gap or maybe a handle, because this door should have a gap. I want to make it 1 centimeter. This is for rendering purpose, by the way. Like this. Okay, and this one. Let's add another gap. Every door should be a gap. In real life, it's not 1 centimeter, it's only 3 millimeter, but on the rendering 3 millimeter doesn't showing up on the viewport, so we have to make it big, and usually I make it 1 centimeter. Okay, now you can see the door just more volume and more realistic. Then I don't know, the color just too contrast. Let's make it lighter, make it more mute. Yeah, that's better. Let's scale it 150, 300, no, 100 is better. Don't forget to save. Okay, that's it. So this is the final result. I have to finish the stream. I want to render it on the render engine. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.